Okay, so we're checking on a hot water heater today. It's Bill the Handyman, episode number 800. And so they said that it wasn't heating, and so they have dogs, and as you can see, they kind of hang out here in the garage. And what had probably happened is there's a pad right here by the heater, and one of these dogs has probably sat up against it and manipulated the control knob here, because all I had to do is turn it back onto the on position, and there's fire in the hole. And so if you need any repairs done, or your inspection on your water heater, or have it strapped down, give me a call, 707-443-8347. I'm serving Northern California and beyond. Thanks.